Welcome back to the Cowboy Data Science channel. It is Monday, October 19th, 2020. I'm just getting ready to update my SQLite database that contains all of my COVID-19 data I work with. And by the way, this data comes from three main sources. It comes from the New York Times, Johns Hopkins University, and the European Center for Disease Prevention and Control. Well, by the way, if you haven't done so already, I'd really appreciate a like, a share, and most importantly, I really appreciate a subscribe. So just click the red button, bottom right hand corner of the screen, and subscribe to the Cambridge Data Science channel. So let's get started to download some data here. Let's start, as I always do, with European Center for Disease Prevention and Control database. Let's check the date, make sure it is back 19th. Let's just get rid of this. Okay, first of all, let's actually come over here. Let's clean out all the old data. Okay, data. Get rid of this. And get rid of this. There we go. Now let's download this data here. Okay, come back over to downloads. Let's open this up in LibreOffice, LibreCalc. Let's just get rid of some fields I don't really need right now. Don't really use these for anything. Okay, country. And get rid of these two things here. Let's just change this back to population. Then let's save this down back to our data directory as a CSV file. Get rid of this here. And this takes care of our first download. Now let's open up a command prompt. Let's grab Johns Hopkins first. We get pulled to get the data down. We don't really need to open up RStudio for this simply because we're not actually doing anything with the data besides downloading it. We come back over here and just move the data to the data directory. Johns Hopkins data. Okay. Now let's come back up here, look for the New York Times. Okay. Now to move to data, let's just come back over here and I'm using the rscript command from R on Windows in order to run the command from the to run the script from the command line. Now let's do this. So that last script did both the New York Times and European Center for Disease Control, Prevention and Control. That script updated both of those database tables in my SQLite database. So now I'm going to do update the John Hopkins table. Okay. So now let's check the database, make sure it's actually updated. So that's right. That's right. That's right. Okay, good. So the database update was successful. Let's just come back over here now. Let's send this to a zip file. Okay. And now what I'll do, I'll go ahead and just update GitHub with the updated database. Okay. And that concludes the database update video. I'll be back in just a couple minutes with my daily reports.